How do I even start this video? Shit's been crazy, y'all. Life's been crazy. A lot of y'all know that I wrecked a motorcycle a while back. Doing stupid stuff. Like this right here. Just like that. Doing crazy stuff. I really don't know how to say that, but I love doing wheelies. And this thing's a torque monster. All it wants to do is wheelies. So I'll start by saying I got a new bike. I got a Kawasaki Z900. It's a nice bike. I like it a lot. Never really been a naked person, but it's a very fun bike. Very torquey. Got a lot of power. Whenever I get done riding right here, I'll show you guys what it looks like all the way around. I'm actually going to ride Burnt Mountain for a little bit. But yeah, no, my life has been crazy. The last 2 years, ever since I had that wreck, it just hasn't been the same. I've been on and off, in and out of work, in and out of Georgia, in and out of where I live. A lot of things in my life have changed personally to where it was at a point to where I couldn't record YouTube videos every day, or I couldn't do what I wanted to do. My life was centered around work. I mean, I had a mountain of bills and a mountain of debt. But ever since I bought this new bike, everything has changed. You know, my life has gotten a lot better. I'm not around the same people anymore. I've straightened up. I'm not doing stupid stuff like I used to. I mean, I'll do wheelies every once in a while, but not like I used to. And yeah, there's that. I miss all you guys and everybody that I used to ride with. It'd be nice if I could get back in touch with everyone that, you know, hasn't crashed yet or still has a motorcycle. That would be fantastic. And you guys were awesome. I miss all the old group rides and crazy crap we used to do together as friends and everybody else. It was, man, I missed it a lot. But enough about that. I moved to Jasper, away from Adairsville, Bartow County, about 70 miles away, into a new town, new house, got a new girlfriend, and life has been great. I couldn't ask for anything better than what I have going on now. Everything has been awesome, except for traffic, and people want to go 15 miles an hour underneath the speed limit. This is what irritates the shit out of me. People want to go so slow. So this is a highway I almost got killed by a fucking bear on. Me and my buddy Scott were riding down through here yesterday, actually, or day before yesterday, and we took one of these little back roads. And all of a sudden, I'm hauling ass down this hill at like 60 miles an hour, and a bear just comes out in front of me, and not one but two of them at 2 different times, and it locked all the brakes down and about killed myself and the bear. I swear this woman needs to find where the throttle's at and give it the go-go juice. I'm trying to teach her how to ride. She's getting the gist of it. I love wheelies. Hopefully I don't get arrested today. That's the plan, at least. Not to get arrested. So yeah, I mean, I don't really know how else to make this video other than I'm back, and I'm going to be making a lot of content over the next couple months, and as long as I have this bike and get the other one fixed, I hopefully can get some track days in and everything else. But I'm going to shut up, let you guys enjoy some wheelies, and everything else. Remember to like and subscribe. Comment if you hate me, comment if you love me. It'd be nice.